Hey guys, it's Katie again. I'm so excited to bring you today's AFI DIY to you guys. This formula is perfect for removing film or streaks on glass or mirrored surfaces. It's also super simple to make, so let's take a look at the recipe. For supplies, you will need rubber gloves, glasses, a mixing bowl, a glass stirring rod, a plastic pitcher or funnel, a plastic storage container with a pump or spray lid. To make 10 ounces of product, you will need 89.48% or 9.68 ounces of deionized water, 1.84% or 0.2 ounces of bioturge PAS 8S, 0.20% or 0.022 ounces of Biosoft EC 639, 8.32% or 0.9 ounces of isopropyl alcohol, 0.05% or 0.005 ounces of preservative, 0.03% or 2 drops of green colorant, 0.08% or 5 drops of fragrance. AFI is sure to have the perfect fragrance for any product you want to make. For this one, I chose Fresh and Clean. This is a great scent for cleaning. Before we get started, let's put on our rubber gloves and goggles for safety. All right, we're ready to go. First, combine the deionized water and bioturge PAS 8S into your mixing bowl. Next, very slowly mix in the Biosoft EC 639. It is important that you pour in very small amounts of this and mix well because it will solidify if done quickly. Then add your isopropyl alcohol, preservative, colorant, and fragrance, mixing thoroughly between each ingredient. Once the mixture is uniform, use the funnel or pitcher to transfer your product into your packaging container. And that's it. This DIY was super easy and just cost right about $1. It can be sold wholesale for around $2 and retail for $4 to $5. This DIY is similar and would pair great with our DIY high foaming window and glass cleaner. Don't forget to check that out at the end of this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!